Hello, welcome back to Sri's channel. Let us learn today about indefinite pronouns and few more types of pronouns. But before we get started please subscribe my channel and press bell button. So what are indefinite pronouns? Indefinite pronouns are used to refer people, things or places without saying who, what or where they are. Without giving the details or without telling who it is or what it is or where it is. If we talk about any people or things or place, it is said to be indefinite pronouns. For example, can anyone join us? So it is not inviting any personal or anyone particularly. Anyone can be. So any person can be joined. So can anyone join us? Mom, I can't find Ria anywhere. It means any place. In any place we can't find Ria. So it is not particular thing, particular person or not particular thing or not particular place. In general, we talk about without saying what it is, who it is, where it is. Then such are called indefinite pronouns. Here a girl, I'm at the market. You can see the balloon there popping out her intention for us. I'm at the market. Do you want anything? Here anything is indefinite pronoun. He doesn't tell her to bring Maggie or chocolates or biscuits. So tell anything what you want, she's asking him. I wanted something but cannot remember. So he mentioned, I do want something but I can't tell that. So something else and not particular things or items he want to bring. He wanted to be brought. So now these are indefinite pronouns. Someone, somebody, anyone, anybody, no one, nobody, everyone, everybody. These are related for people, person. So something, anything, nothing, everything relates things. Somewhere, anywhere, nowhere, everywhere. These indicate places. Here is a note for us. We usually use something, someone and somewhere in positive sentences. So if we can find out that the sentence is positive, we are asked to use someone, something and somewhere in such positive sentences. If suppose the sentence remains to be negative, anything, anyone, anywhere can be used in that negative sentences. That is about indefinite pronouns. Coming to distributive pronouns, the name itself, it indicates that it is distributed. So distributive pronouns are used to denote persons or things one at a time. Each and every one we are pointing out. They are always used only in the singular and the verb following them must also be in singular. So they are always used as singular and the verb which is following must also be in the singular. The examples like each of these pups has its pedigree. So each and every puppy has its own pedigree. Either of these cars belongs to Johnny. So either this, there are many cars, in that at least one or some of the cars might be John's cars. John's cars. Neither of you is trustworthy. So no one among you is trustworthy. Either we use for positive, either or. For instance, either chocolate or biscuit. It means that you are asked to choose one. If neither chocolate nor biscuit, there is no chance to choose at least one. So each, either, neither are used as distributive pronouns. Distributive pronouns, they denote persons or things one at a time. So each and every one we take into singular account. Okay. So here one note is given. Each, either and neither are sometimes used as adjectives. So coming to same as before pronoun, if we use along with nouns, they become adjectives. If we don't use along with nouns, they become only pronouns. Neither argument was true. So neither is followed by argument. So it is adjective. Each man took his luggage. Again, each is describing the man. Each and every man has taken his luggage. So each man took his luggage. At either side was a horse. Either of the side there was a horse. To be more clear with distributive pronouns, I brought this. For instance, how many are there here? 3 sketches are there. If I say each of these are working, it means each and every one is working. This green color is working, this color is working, this also working. So each of the 3, it means we are pointing out each and every one. This one we are pointing out, this one and this also. So now is it clear? I hope it is clear. Thank you.